Hello YouTube! This is another package from Gunfire for me. Today I received this nice packed package. It looks like tube for diploma or something like this, but inside of this tube is inner barrel for my AK-74. I decided to upgrade my gun because there are some issues with shooting. If I shoot semi-automatic, it shoots 2 times. So I bought last time, you can see in previous video from Gunfire, this processor unit. I hope this figure out this problem. And I also bought another things, but also I was not satisfied with my accuracy of gun, so I bought this inner barrel. Sorry for shaking the camera. We will try to open this. Nice packed. I hope that I don't destroy anything inside. Okay, I try to... And inside of this package is inner barrel from PDI company. It looks short, I hope that is okay, but it looks really short. This is the best quality of inner barrels on the market from PDI. It's from steel and diameter of this barrel is 6.05, but I am surprised that this is so short. Oh, but this 455, so I hope it will be okay. But for a first look, it looks very short. This is another thing, but just pop-up backing. I need some spare. Oh, I see that inside are two. I am really surprised why there are two. I bought just one. But I have two. One black and one white. Nice. I am happy for that. So next video will be about upgrading my gun. I'm planning to do it with my team colleague Kenny, and you will see soon. Just watch my channel and you will see how it looks inside of my gun, and maybe later how it shoots. So today I received just these two parts, this inner barrel and hop-up backing. Oops, this one. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.